All right, so I'm making the turtle. Well, this is just the dough that I made. All it consists of is. So at this point, you want to go ahead and take a half a cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and you want to take a half a stick of butter that is room temperature and combine all of them together until the dough, it can be pressed together like the consistency of sand, wet sand. When you press it together and it holds its shape. In a medium saucepan, you're going to want to add a stick of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, firmly packed, and half a cup of corn syrup. You're going to heat this on the stove until it comes to a boil, and then you are going to cut it off and whisk in some heavy cream and a pinch of salt. Now, I don't have heavy cream, so I'll be using milk. I'm also just going to add a touch of vanilla here. You want to bring this to a boil, and then you want to turn off the heat and add your 2 tablespoons of milk. All right, now at this point, you want to cut off your heat and add your milk. That's going to be hard to do. With one hand, cut my milk off, back up. When you do this, because it will heat up, as you can see. And there you have your caramel. All right, our crust is out of the oven. Golden brown, you're gonna top with your, whatever your nut of choice was. If you wanna make this like a traditional turtle, you could differently can with peanuts, but I like something different. So I'm just gonna evenly spread this. It's okay, you could do it with your hands. My hands are washed. I don't play none of that mess. And then you're gonna dump your caramel on top. Right, look at that delicious caramel. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. And back in the oven, this goes for 10 minutes on 350 degrees. Once it's been in the oven for 10 minutes, you want to sprinkle it with a 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm going with just a whole cup because I love chocolate. Then you want to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes to melt the chocolate, and then take it out and smooth that chocolate out. Okay, I know you're at the temperature. Once it's out, you just want to smooth the tops of it, and then you want to let it cool completely. I know I'm gonna try one hot anyways, but you gotta let it cool completely and cut it however you want. This is yours. Can't nobody tell you what to do with your own stuff. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to dig in.